Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and to part 3 of the Handmade journal series. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing how I incorporate some stitching and beads into one of my pages. So I'm following on from last week where I had pages that were made, leaves that were made using this pyrography tool. So I cut out some leaf shapes. So I'm working with positive and negative leaf shapes in my designs. So I'll show you the page that I've worked on. Just pop these aside just now. Where are we? So here we are. So this is the page where I worked on the design. So I'll be showing you how I came to this design and how I incorporated the beads and the hand-drawn elements. And then this lovely simple page here that I've worked on. So if you're interested in seeing how this page developed, let's get started. Okay, so for this page, I love this inky blue background behind cut out areas. So I'm just going to leave that. And then when you flip it over, you get a different part of the design coming through. So I really like this page. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then when I flip over to this page, I've got this, I've cut it slightly shorter. Sometimes I like having different sized pages, but I don't think it really works here. So my idea was I had these shapes. So I thought what I'll do is I'll glue this to here, and then I'd like to try and do a little bit of stitching. And it's hard to stitch it when it's in the book, so I'm going to attach this. I'm going to do it without being in the book and then attach it. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to pop the book out of the way just now. Oh, I've just found a little leaf that I stuck onto the fabric from these taperology leaves. I'm wondering if I could stitch these on somewhere. I don't know if they would work. Well, that's quite nice having that layered. Maybe. Not sure about the dark one. Not sure if that's going to work. Okay, so I'm going to get my sewing kit. Stuff out of the way just now. I think I'll just glue this to the background first. So I've got my different coloured threads that are kind of the same theme as this book. Let's stitch some of these little beads in. I think I quite like that colour. Sort of silvery threads. I think silver would be nice. So I'm just going to separate these threads. They're not so thick. Got 3 threads. We're doing a French knot. This is a needle threader, which is imperative if you're like me and needing glasses. Okay, so I'm going to double that up now. And cute little scissors, aren't they? So I'm going to hold the thread tight, twist it around twice, then pop it back down just to the side of the stitch, keeping the tension on it, and then pull it back through. Same again. Don't think I separated it very well. Oh, this one's only got 2. Yeah, it's a bit thick. Anyway, not to worry. Okay. So what you can do is, well, you could do it this way, punch through so you can see where the holes are. And that makes it easier to get started. So I'm going through the back in front of it and then going back over so that I'm covering the whole area with the thread. And then back through just next to the hole. And there must be a name for this stitch, but I don't know. Yeah, I just think this needs something, so I'm just going to do some little pen work here. Trying to keep this little circles maybe a bit more organic shape to emulate, mirror this sort of shape. It's starting to get chunkier now. I like these books. I think I want to keep this next page quite simple, so I thought maybe I could use this little leaf that I've rubbed onto the fabric and frame it with that leaf print. It's a really simple page, just to finish off this project this week. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed watching part 3 of the Handmade journal. This was a real joy to create. I really love making these little stitches and adding beads and the 3D quality, and it's starting to get a little bit chunky, this book. That's just what I love with these handmade journals, bits hanging out of them, and it's just delicious. I just love these books and I can't wait to keep filling it up and adding more interest. So hope you're enjoying it as much as I am creating it, and it's given you inspiration to have a go yourselves. Okay everyone, thank you very much for watching. I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.